Welcome to Evolution in Controls. I'm your host, Tim Wilson. Thank you for joining us. We're here at the ProMat 2025 show at McCormick Place in Chicago, Illinois. And we're at the booth of Euchner, one of Evolution Motion's vendor partners. And we're here with Matt Clark, who's going to talk to us about their booth, the displays, and what they're hoping to show here at the show. Matt, thanks for joining us. Why don't you introduce yourself and tell us a little about yourself?
Yeah, thanks, Tim. Matt Clark, Director of Sales, Euchner USA.
Okay. And how long have you been with Euchner?
I've been with Euchner for 2 years.
All right. And you're responsible for all of the sales for Euchner here in the U.S.?
That's correct, yeah, all 50 states.
All 50 states. So that means you get to go to Hawaii every now and then?
If I'm lucky.
If
yeah,
you're lucky.
yeah.
But then you got to go to Alaska in the winter.
I'll send someone there.
Well, we're here at your booth. You've got several displays and show boards. Tell us what we're looking at this display.
Yeah, for us, we've got the robot here moving around.
Yep.
It's drawing some excitement. It's
So it's
bringing
a
the crowd
robot
in.
cell.
It's a robot cell featuring our MGB2 product.
Okay. This is the MGB2 product.
This is the MGB2 product. This is important for us in intralogistics. We see it in many, many applications. That's why it's out in front. Grab everyone's attention as they go by.
And it looks like a door handle. Is it more than just a door handle?
Yeah, it is actually. You can incorporate this in many different applications. It's more than just a door handle because you can add features to it. So
okay.
We work
like safety features and
safe and non-safe features. Yeah, we work with this module here.
Okay.
Which is the head unit for the interface for a field bus.
All right.
But we also have an interface for hardwiring as well. So many different applications you can interface with.
Okay.
On this, you can get a couple different field buses.
I would say, what kind of field buses, what protocols?
Yeah, for this particular demo, we've got ProMat as a protocol.
All right.
We also have flavors available in EtherCAD right now.
All right.
And later this year, we'll be releasing Ethernet IP.
Oh, Ethernet IP. Okay, great.
Pretty common here in the U.S.
And so you just take that module out and put a different one in and everything plugs into it?
That's great. The PLC connection comes under it.
Okay.
The connection to our devices comes above it.
Okay.
All this stays the same regardless of this. This is the only thing you'd change out.
So what are the functions, the lights, the features on this box here?
Yeah, on this showcase, we've got 2 slices that are configurable.
Okay.
So in theory, you can pull these out, put something else in its place.
All right.
You keep the shell, keep the handle.
Yep.
You just change these out to suit
and
your
different functionality.
Correct.
So what's this? It looks like a credential.
Yeah, it is in a sense for safety.
Okay.
This is our CKS2. Essentially, you take this out. This is where you go into the cell and service it.
And the robot stops.
The robot stops.
I can go in then?
Yeah, you go in there, mess with things, fix things, touch up points, whatever you're doing.
Okay.
Then when you're done with the service, you put this back in. You can reset the cell, and it'll take off running again.
Now, what if I try to...
Yeah,
it's locked. I can't go in unless I take the credential out.
Yes, correct.
Now, you've got buttons here. Are there other functions or other modules that can go in here?
Oh, yeah. This function of this is extremely modular.
Okay.
So we've got about 135 different slices that you can put on this. The other thing that goes along with this, you see this cord up here, is you can have remote boxes. So if you have remote operator boxes to do this or other things, you can have them remotely mounted around the device.
So you could remotely stop the robot, have a remote emergency stop switch.
Yeah, if you had another door,
if you had another door,
whatever you need.
Okay.
You can have up to 6 of these devices off of one field bus interface.
All right. So this is the MGB technology. Now you've got some other technology on display here too. Could we go look at that?
Yeah, we can.
All right, let's go look at that. Thanks for joining us at ProMat 2025 here at McCormick Place in Chicago, Illinois. To learn more about Evolution Motion Solutions, visit us at evolutionmotionsolutions.com. Don't forget to subscribe to Evolution in Controls on whatever platform you use for podcasts or on YouTube for a video version so you can be notified when we release new episodes. Thank you again for joining us. I'm Tim Wilson, your host, and remember, keep moving.